Downtown Lansing, Inc. And joining me tonight is Rena Pugh with the Lansing Border Water and Light, and Jeff Young with Marshall Music. And like Director Craig said, we're here to present a special award to the Corunna High School Marching Band. This November, they traveled to Lansing, to the capital city, to participate in the 34th annual Silver Bells in the City Electric Light Parade. This event draws more than 50,000 people to Lansing each year, with an additional 25,000 tuning in live to watch the festivities on television on Fox 47. So during the parade, all of the marching bands that participate, we had 11 this year, compete for the Best Illuminated Band Award. This award comes with a great plaque, but more importantly, $500 cash courtesy of the Lansing Border Water and Light, and a $500 gift card courtesy of Marshall Music to support the talented students that you have here with the Corunna Marching Band. So a huge congratulations to your Corunna High School Marching Cavaliers, the 2018 winners of the Silver Bells in the City Best Illuminated Band Award.
Well, I'd just like to thank the Board of Water and Light and the board at the parade for having Marshall Music participate in this. It's our pleasure to have worked with the Corunna bands for many, many years, and Mr. Love specifically. You certainly deserve this award, and I'm happy to present the gift card.